In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on call vibration on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Open the main settings app first and then scroll down and choose the option that relates to sound and vibration. It should be called something like this. In here, look for a call vibration slider. You might need to first tap on the vibration or haptics option. Here you can change the call or ring vibration with the slider and change related settings. The higher the slider, the stronger the vibration will be. If you can't move the slider, make sure that your phone is not set to silent by pressing the volume buttons, and check that Do Not Disturb is not turned on. If you couldn't find it using that method, you could also try searching for call vibration or ring vibration on the homepage of the settings. That's how to turn on call vibration on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.